Question 3, sixth part. Given A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 90. N upon 2, 2 into a is 2 plus n minus 1 into D is 8 is equal to 90. This implies n upon 2, we are taking 2 common and in bracket 2 plus n minus 1 into 2 common, here 4 is equal to 90. 2 is cancelled. And next step, n into 2 plus 4 multiplied by n, that is equal to 4n, minus 4 multiplied by 1, that is equal to minus 4 is equal to 90, and implies n into 4n minus 2 is equal to 90. 4n multiplied by 4n, that is 4n square, minus 2n minus 90 is equal to 0. It gives a quadratic equation. 90 shift left side, that is minus 90 equal to 0, implies 2 is taking common in this quadratic equation. We get 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. 2 is not equal to 0. This quadratic equation equal to 0. 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. And splitting middle term, 45 2s are 90 and 2 45 2s are 90, 3 15 3s are 45, 3 5s are 15, 5 1. Split 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. This implies 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. When we multiplying 10 into 9, then it gives 90n square, and 10n minus 9n, that is n. So 2n is common here, but n minus 5 2s are 10, n minus 5 in bracket, n minus 5 in bracket plus 9 is common, 9 into n, 9n, 9 5s are 45 is equal to 0. 2n plus 9 and n minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies n is equal to, n minus 5 is equal to 0, n is equal to 5, and 2n is equal to minus 9, but n is equal to minus 9 upon 2. Negative value neglected, but n is equal to 5. We want to find n and an also. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 5. This implies a5 is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d. a5 is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 4d. This implies a5 is equal to, a is here 2 plus 4 into d is 8. a5 is equal to 2 plus 8 4s are 32. This implies a5 is equal to 32 plus 2, that is equal to 34. n is equal to 5 and a5 is equal to 34. A is 2, D is 8, Sn is equal to 90 and Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 90, n by 2, 2a, 2 into a, 2 plus n minus 1 into 8 equal to 90. We are taking 2 common in bracket, 2 is cancelled and 2 plus n minus 1 into 4 in bracket, that is equal to 90. n into 2 plus 4 multiplied by n, 4n, 4 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 4, minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2, and 4n minus 2 into n equal to 90. n multiplied by 4n, that is 4n square minus 2n, shifting 90 left side, it gives a quadratic equation, and splitting middle term, 2 is common in this quadratic equation and is equal to 0, then 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. 45 2s are 90 and 10 multiplied by 9 is equal to 90 and 10 minus 9 is equal to minus n, and taking common 2n here, 2n into n minus 5 and n minus 5 in bracket, multiply by 9, 9 multiply by n, that is 9n, 9 5s are 45 and n minus 5 common and equal to 0 means n is equal to positive 5, and 2n plus n is equal to 0 means 2n equal to minus 9 and n is equal to minus 9 upon 2. Negative value neglected, but we get value of n, that is equal to 5, and an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, n is 5, we put n is equal to 5, a5 equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 4d, a equal to 2 plus 4 into d equal to 8, 8 4s are 32 plus 2, 32 plus 2, that is equal to 34. Answer. Question third, 7th part. Given a is equal to 8, an is equal to 62 and Sn is equal to 210. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. A is 8, 8 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. N minus 1 into d is equal to 62, shifting 8 right side minus 8, this implies d is equal to 54 divided by n minus 1. D is equal to 62 minus 8 is 64 divided by n minus 1. But Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 210. N divided by 2, 2 into 8 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 210. n by 2 into 8 2s are 16 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 210. This implies n divided by 2, 16 plus n minus 1. D is here for 54 upon n minus 1. We put d is equal to 54 upon n minus 1 in this equation is equal to 210. N minus 1 cancel, but n divided by 2 into 54 plus 16, that is equal to 70 is equal to 210. This is cancelled. 35, this implies n 35, n is equal to 210, and n is equal to 210 divided by 35. 7 3s are 21 and 1 0, 7 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are, n is equal to 6. We get the value of n is equal to 6. Putting the value, this is equation first. Putting the value of n is equal to 6 in first, we get d is equal to 54 upon n is 6, 6 minus 1. This implies d is equal to 54 divided by 5. A is 8, an is 62, Sn is 210. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is 62. A is 8, shifting right side, 62 minus 8 is 54, and d is equal to 54 upon n minus 1. It's equation first. But Sn is 210. 210 n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 210. 2 into a is 8, 8 2s are 16 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 210. N by 2, 16 plus we put d is equal to 54 upon n minus 1 in this equation. Then n minus 1 is cancelled, but 54 plus 16 is equal to 70. N by 2 multiplied by 70 is equal to 210. We divide 70 by 2, 35 2s are 70, and 35 n is equal to 210, but n is equal to 210 divided by 35. First of all, 7 5s are 35 and 37s are 210. 5 6 are 30. We get the value of n is equal to 6. And putting the value n equal to 6 in this equation, d is equal to 54 divided by 6 minus 1. N is 6, 6 minus 1, that is 5. So d is equal to 54 upon 5. Answer, n is equal to 6 and d is equal to 54 upon 5. Question number 3rd, 8th part. An is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, and Sn is equal to minus 40. An can be write a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. A plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to 4. A plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus 2n is equal to 4 plus 2, shifting to right side. 2 multiplied by n, 2n, 2 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 2. Shift right side, positive 2. A plus 2n is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. Its value of a. But Sn is equal to n upon 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 14. A is equal to 6 minus 2n, put in this, n divided by 2, 2 into 6 minus 2n, its value of a plus n minus 1 into value of d is 2 minus 14. Taking 2 common, n upon 2 into 2, 6 minus 2n, 1 multiplied by 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 14. 2 is cancelled. N into 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 is equal to minus 14. 6 minus 1, n into 6 minus 1, that is 5. 2n minus 2n plus n, that is minus n, is equal to minus 14. It gives a quadratic equation. 5n minus n square is equal to minus 14. Shifting right side, we get n square positive minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. We are shifting left side in right, then minus n square will becomes positive n square, 5n negative minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0, and splitting middle term, 7 2s are 14 and 7n minus 2n, that is equal to 5n. This implies n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0, and n common, n minus 7, n is taking common, n minus 7 in bracket plus 2 n minus 7 in bracket is equal to 0. So n plus 2 and n minus 7 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 2 and n is equal to positive 7. N plus 2 is equal to 0 means n is equal to minus 2, and n minus 7 is equal to 0 means n is equal to positive 7. N is equal to 7, put in equation this, then we get a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7. A is equal to 6 minus 7 2s are 14. This implies a is equal to 14 minus 6 equal to minus 8. A is equal to minus 8 and n is equal to 7. Given a n is equal to 4, d is 2 and Sn is minus 14. And we are applying the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 4. A plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to 4. 2 is multiplying n to n, 2 multiply by 1, that is minus 2, and shifting to right side, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, a plus 2n is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 minus 2n, and Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 14, n by 2, 2 into a is 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1, d is 2. 2 both sides taking common, and 2 divides 2, that is cancel, but n and 1 multiply by 6, 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 and 2n minus n is equal to minus n, that is minus 14. 5 multiplied by n, 5n, n into n square is equal to minus 14, and it gives a quadratic equation, and 7 2s are 14, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then n is taking common, n minus 7 in bracket, and 2 is common, n minus 7 is also bracket, n minus 7 equal to 0 means n is equal to positive 7, and n plus 2 is equal to 0 means n is equal to negative 2. But n is equal to positive 7. Put in this equation, then we get the value of a, 7 2s are 14 minus 6, that is equal to 8, but 2n is negative, so minus 14 is greater than 6, then a is equal to minus 8 answer, and n is equal to 7 answer. Question 3, ninth part. Given a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8 and s is equal to 192. S means Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 192. N is here 8, so S8. S8 is equal to 8 divided by 2. 2 into a is 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d is equal to 192. We want to find the value of d. 2 4s are 8. 4 into 3 2s are 6 plus 8 minus 1 is 7d is equal to 192. 6 plus 7d, 4 multiplying by left side, but it divides right side. That is 192 divides 4, and 4 4s are 16 and 4 8s are 32. 192 divided by 4 is 4 4s are 16, 3 2, 4 8s are 32, which is divisible by 48. 6 plus 7d is equal to 48. 7d is equal to 48 minus 6. Shifting right side, it becomes minus 6. 7d is equal to 48 minus 6, that is equal to 42. This implies d is equal to 42 divides 7. 7 6 are, and we get the value of d is equal to 6. Given a is 3, n is 8, Sn is equal to 192. Sn means n is 8, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But n is 8, so S8 is equal to 8 upon 2, 2a plus 8 minus 1 into d equal to 192. 8 divides 2, 4 2s are. 4 into 3 2s are 6 plus 8 minus 1, that is 7d equal to 192. Left side, b divides 192 by 4, and 48 times 192 divides 4. 48 4s are 192, which is completely divisible by 48. And shifting right side 6, that is minus 6. 48 minus 6 is 42, and d equal to 42 divides 7. 6 7s are 42. D is equal to 6 answer. Question 3, 10th part. Given L is equal to 28 and S is equal to 144, then there are total 9 terms. Find A. N is equal to 9. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus an. An is last term, and S9 is equal to 9 upon 2 a plus an is 28 and S9 is equal to, that is 144, 9 upon 2, a plus 28. 2 cross multiplying 144 is equal to 9 into a plus 28, and 9 divides 144 into 2 divides 9 is equal to a plus 28. 9 16s are 144, but 16 2s are 32 is equal to a plus 28. We want to find a. A is equal to 32 minus 28. A is equal to 4. Given L is 28 and S is 144, and there are total 9 terms, means N is equal to 9. Using the formula, Sn is n by 2, a plus an. An is L, last term, but Sn is equal to 144. N by 2, a plus an. N by 2, a plus an is here 28. 2 multiplying 144 and divides 9. 144 divides 9. 16 9s are 144 and 16 2s are 32. And we want to find a. Shift 28 left side, that is 32 minus 28. A is equal to 4. Answer. Thank you so much.